Lights, camera, and action.
The film which I'm making is very speed-centric, and Canon has just come up with this new camera R3. It has some really mind-blowing features, and I thought of testing it out. This particular film had a lot of different elements. Some had to be shot in the studio with contrasting lighting scenarios, like we had a poi artist with fire and LED lights. We also had an extraordinary flamenco dancer. In the outdoors, we had the rider driving through the desert with his ATV, so there's gonna be a lot of action. One of my favorite features in this camera was 6K RAW 60p. When we were shooting in Rajasthan, there was this scorching sun and a lot of high contrast shadows. We could extract all the details in the sky and even in the shadow region. The results in the studio were remarkable too. And we were shooting 4K 120p. Being there at the moment, capturing all those crisp details in high speed, like the tiny little dust specks, were just gorgeous.
4K 120 is like something that I think I'll be using a lot, because not a lot of camera in this form factor will give you that. We shot both dancers in 4K high speed. Every detail, like the flamenco dancers' hand and feet movements, the flowing costumes, even the pyro dancers with the fire and lights, all came out so beautifully.
We used EOS R3 on variety of rigs. We were on Panther Dolly, Super Jib, Quadrocopter, body rigs, gimbals, car mounts and so forth, with same durability and dust and water resistance as provided in Canon's legendary EOS 1 series bodies. Gives you the confidence to keep on shooting in the toughest weather conditions.
I've been shooting automobile commercials for a really long time, and one big problem we used to face is tracking the vehicle in those speeds. But this camera has this vehicle tracking feature. We got some really good shots where the ATV was coming in the frame and moving out. Not even a single time did it lose the focus. I also really like the new eye control feature. I took some stills of the ATV. The focus shifts with the movement of your eyes, and it was so precise.
When we were shooting the pyro dancers, so it was really amazing that even when they were in low light, the autofocus performed really well. I mean, you can just rely on it. Like, it completely eliminates human error. It's a very Canon feature where they, let you choose which eye you want to track. It's really amazing that the AI can actually understand if it's the left eye or the right eye and capture it perfectly.
The woman dancing with those LED lights in the studio, we had to illuminate her face with those tiny little fairy lights. The large sensor of EOS R3 enabled us to shoot at such low light and capture all the fine details. We boosted the ISO to 10,000 and it was grainless. We also had the driver next to the bonfire without any extra lights. I just boosted the ISO to around 4,000 and there was no grain at all. This camera with a little boost in ISO can make those moments come alive.
We even took some handle shots. You switch on the inbuilt image stabilization mode and boom, there was hardly any shake. The ergonomics are beautiful. It fits so well in your hand.
This camera has capability of recording both internally and on external recorders. For a smooth edit workflow, we transcode the files and send out EDLs or XMLs for the next step. After confirming the footage, it goes to the color grading table. Canon Log 3 provides professionals with greater dynamic range and color grading possibilities. This camera shoots high-quality RAW at high speed, impressive tracking of fast-moving action, autofocus controls with the eye, and it's professional build. This camera is a powerhouse.
Canon, delighting you always.